Sham Mesech Trumas Daf Tzadik Tes Amid Aleph Nishmas Gita Basavon Shchaim Beyitzchadog Shchaim Beyitzchadog Shchaim Eze Yitzchak Eze Shim Ben Yitzchak. Just before we get started, Rabbi say, I said a pshat in the bracha on Truma. How could you make a bracha on Truma if Isa Machshavah? What it says in Kedushin as Truma is Isa Machshavah. Nachshavti Trumaschem is Isa Machshavah. It's a famous Besyasa. Besyasa said that anything that's b'machshavah you can't make a bracha. So Bezai Vida can make the bracha of Hafroshes Truma. It's Isa Machshavah. So Ani Akot Nabi gesagt that the bracha you say the bracha before the Hafroshe, before the Nesina. Macht the Nesina, macht man the bracha, and that's the Kriya Shem. That's the Kriya Shem. That's the Kedusha Truma with the bracha, and that's when you make the bracha. Okay, Abu Chazuk, yeah, shine. So the Rambam in Peik Beis Halacha Yud Daled in Trumas, Hatruma Lekoyin. It's an interesting lashon. What's it? Hatruma Lekoyin. Truma Lekoyin doesn't say you make a Nesina. It doesn't say anything. It's Truma Lekoyin. Bein Toira, Bein Temeya. Afil nit ma hadogen or yatira kula kodesh shiyafish reiz chayiv lahafish men tuma tuma v'litin lekoyin shenema anid inside lechem es yishmer tzloisai achatoyir v'achas temeir. So, zukt Reb Chaim in derech Hamuna ois kuf lamed hatruma lekoyin v'nisinosai mitzvah hasei. The mitzvah is the Nesina, the mitzvah say is the Nesina. Shenema, Reish Goncha Tirash Vitzerecha, Titan Loi, Ein Lekamon Sif Kotten Zayin, Lefi Das and Aban, Nachshovim Beis mitzvah say, mitzvah Afrosh Mitzvah Nesina, famous Ramban, which got to them Kama Pom Kocha, Abul Rabbeinu Kolom B'mitzvah Achas. The Rambam holds it's one mitzvah, side of Afrosh, side of Nesina is in one mitzvah. Mikol Mokem sagt Reb Chaim, Nukul Alma ein mevocha al Nesina rak al Afrosha. Sagt Reb Chaim. V'chol zeh bevadai tevel abasof nisht. Shin Sama Beis, Tzion Halacha, Shuvas Rashba, Simi Yudches, Ein Shom Hatam. You didn't have a chance to what?
Oh, you don't have
Yes, yeah, but why not before the Nesina? Why did you say that Amazah looked at Chazal? Yeah, but it's only a Yisrael Machshavah. It's Yisrael Machshavah. I can make a bracha.
Also or only? Also or only Yisrael Machshavah?
Mikol Mokem L'Kulam Ein Mevocha Al Nesina Rak Al Afrosha. Rak Al Afrosha means if you didn't make it on the Afrosha, you can't make it anymore. Yeah, it's not obvious. Obvious means before Afrosha.
Does that mean having in mind the Nesina with the Afrosha also after you make the bracha?
Yeah, like the Ramban, there's two mitzvahs. You have to do that. Like the Ramban.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. According to the Ramban, it's two mitzvahs. Like the Ramban, it's one mitzvah.
Maybe it's like the Rashba stuck and the Kohen could say no to accepting.
Very good. I didn't have yeah?
That's the true test.
That's what he said. Okay, Zukta. Okay, so yeah. Ain't echad over here. He said like that's what he said. But Akapon, was? Then be soon. Very good. But Akapon was the Shver the Kashif and then Bisas. Look, wait, Bisas, you can't make a bracha on Machshavah, so we came in the Smachim.
So here it's part of the mitzvah.
What?
It's part of this mitzvah that has an theme. If the whole mitzvah is only Machshavah, can't make a bracha. But here the Machshavah is part of.
So therefore.
Well, one mitzvah, that Machshavah part is part of the mitzvah of the Nesina.
Like by the Seder, you make a Dhamma on the card, but you have in mind the moral later on.
But the Ramban is Zichashver. You're back to the same problem. The Ramban is two mitzvahs, so you don't make two brachos, right? Okay. All right. Just wanted to point that out. It's some food for thought. Zog the Heilige Gemara. On Sadik Ches Beis, and the last two lines of Yemim Shem V'Chiyah Bavo Mishum Mishulei Goyim Hein Nesurim. That means Mavashel Yayin the Marayas. He takes the wine for Truma and Mavashel with the Shuman Shel Dag. It's also Mishum Bishulakim. Not because of Yain Nesa. We saw yesterday Nishas Yain Nesa. It's also Al Bishul Hakim, and therefore it's also Heisev Reb Yosi, but only he have to be goyis by the guy is goyis over here, not hamin, umen. On the top line, the whole sugi is goyis in umen. Umen means a fachman, somebody who's it's his business. Who he makes this, he cooks the yayin with the marayas. Umen mutter, because he's not going to put any wine in there. There wasn't there to put the wine in there. Usheinu umen, somebody's not an umen, he doesn't have the monas, he doesn't know what he's doing. It's also because we're concerned that Bishalakim is going to put the wine in there. Umen mutter loy. What does it mean that it's mutter? Afilu mevushel. Because he's not going to put wine, so he's not going to put wine, there's no chason. With the kavase, sheinu umen, it's not an umen, we're concerned about the wine, is also afilu sheinu mevushel. Even if it's not mevushel. What does it mean afilu sheinu mevushel? Like the Pen Moshe. Atoni b'tesefte d'avodah zarah. Umen kumoi ha'umen. He's also goes like that. V'chach hu behedye shom. That the guy is over there. Umen. V'hay tamuda af hoye hanochi hamoiche esamerayis. The guy who's selling this marayis, the shumen shel dag. Umen muter likach mimena. He's not going to purchase this from a guy. L'loy mare nafshe. He's not going to ruin his business. L'loy mishake. He won't say a sheke. If he says that there's no wine in there, you can believe him because he's not going to ruin his business. If somebody's not a woman, it's also because what? He's not going to ruin the geschäft. So it's a mitzvah. You'll find out, you'll know about it. So it's also. I have many rights to this. What? Yeah, I don't pray to his money. That's a good one. But akaporim das steht dort in der Gemara. Mutter loy b'shein mevushel. Sagt der kein Zorch loyma. V'kachu b'avay zol sham. B'seifer yesh toy seifer sham kloyma devadai. Od turu b'shein mevushel hu detiru. When the matter by an is tam b'shein mevushel. Okay, the kavase ushein umen because why? You're concerned about the yain eser. The yain eser, he's not going to do it. There's also a fil shein mevushel because if it sounds bishalakim, then bishalakim you have even by numen avada. Question is, that's yain eser, so the woman is nemonas that he says there's no wine, you could believe him. Well, the kushel adukte lama asu, v'chase kam, v'chase mixes, okay, sure. Sagt the Merah folder. Otani umen mutter, shein umen ase. Marayis she'asan umen, this fish juice that was made by a storekeeper who does it for a profession. She'asan umen mutter, shein noisen, the toicha yain, achim v'fura she'asan. Lois like the Merah folder mevushel, you can tell me even by mevushel, she'ein maflig, he's not making enough communication cooking it not because it's going to be also but feel ain't a mubushel ain't come bishul goy shma min oh you see from here the reason that it's also through yain because if it's through yain so then a goy doesn't put in the wine then it's mutter if it says bishul agam it's going to have communication if he's going to be an uman, not an uman, because as yain eser is going to be mutter, but as bishlakim is going to be yosef because he's cooking it. The bishlam imelation loy motzeh lechuchida uman. The ain't uman mishum bishul goy. You can't say that. Because it's as min harishonim that you can't say that. That only as yain eser. Totu mar weiter. Amrav Yochanan b'amirei v'afilu command Omar. Umen mutter, even the one that says umen is mutter because he has no monas, because he's not going to ruin the geschäft. But vad be yedeya. You have to know that he's an umen. You can't have a suffix in the line. Hada omer hano is truma muteres, hano is avodah zarah asur. That's the Zogavan, the famous memra from the Gemara that truma there's no isur no and truma. Ma'ashen can avodah zarah is asubano. Dr. Pen Moshe, Micah Doin. So he has a different guess over here. So his guess is like this: Ma'ikeh doin eshu litol esazuama machmas avodah zarah ose ado omer. The boss of the God is awesome. The Hadar of Yochanan about Meir Kloimer. Loyulam yayin lemerayas. If you're talking about wine, put the yayin lemerayas. Lav letamu hu David. He's not putting it in because he wants to give a tam to this juice. Elo lavuri zuama b'yama. He wants to take out the zuama. Even though it's what? It's only for the zuama. It's also for us like upon a no is beima hayayin eser. He has a no and yayin eser also by no. Avlu truma Leichasheshu k'demisayim hado amru. They weren't choshes. You know what it means, leichashu. What does it mean, leichashu? It's not us. It's not us. It says leichasheshu. We'll see in a few minutes. The ganze tumul in the Rishonim. What does it mean that truma is mutar b'hano? It's not so poshut. Hado amru kloime afilu b'hano mu'etes. Even a small hano. That's what it means. Leichashu means even such a small hano. High gavne osu, because it only gives a little time in it. Beyain osu, beyain nesach. It's also osal tzmuchum. But even a small time is osu. Not a lot, even a small piece. But truma v'teres, dein is ano betruma. The shtoken is ano. When it comes to truma, shtoken is. By the way, what is ruam made of? I said
Sweat.
sweat.
Smell. Like we had the other time.
It comes up many times in the Medrash and the Gemara all over the place. And today I was saying, you know what? Lama Zayim was the Rabbi Google Zook.
What is Rama?
What is wrong? You say sweat.
We had that a couple months ago.
Okay, yeah. Many places it comes out in Nefesh, the Nochesh, Zuama. It's many different places. So he says just to take out the zoom. What, the sweat over here in this in the Marais, the sweat. He says like this: Rabbi Google Zook, froth, filth, decayed matter, evil smell. Absorb the froth of the boiling meat, carry off foul matter. Okay, it goes on and on over here with different things. It doesn't say sweat. I also took that.
That's why I took it back. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Zayah. Yeah, but Zuama, many people type says sweat, but it has many different types of meaning. Okay, look at the name Moshe. Today, Mishoim Umen Mutter Ubavatchi Yedua the bitter. Okay, so this din, Rabbi, so just to spend a minute, this din was stay doing the Gemara that by Truma, there's no issue for Anoah, it's only by Vayzon issue Anoah. I don't remember if we spoke about it here, but look upon it, there's a landmark, Mishnah Melech, Big Beis is a deraisa. Is an isif in Kilui. What says Kilui? Big Beis. Big Beis Aloch Yudal. So the Rambam Hatruma Lekoyin Ben, because this Rambam Lekoyin Ben Bitmei Ben Toira. I feel a nidma hadogan or atira. You have to give it to the kohen. Chayiv lahafish mimenu truma litn the kohen. You have to give it to the kohen. Shenema. Interesting, because when it comes to the truma, he says mafresh truma likohen. He's not mafresh and he gives it to the kohen. He's mafresh the truma likohen. That's the name, right? But mafresh bachum. But mafresh likohen. There's no nesina. He doesn't know it's in nesina. Well, as soon as you make the afrosha, blab to shemam kohen. Blab shemam kohen is not his potum in a chayis. He doesn't have no din in a chayis. So here he says also, when you get to the din of Truma to Meir, then little the coin. Then he has a chiv. But he says there is a chayis until you give it to the coin. He's looked at them the Mishnah Melech. It's a longer Mishnah Melech. I recommend it highly. Rabbi said the Dorach Chikim because it's he said this in Truma. So he says like this. Basically, it's a machlokes Rishonim. If by Truma, if it's also by no or not. Look at Azai. Koilu dvorim. Bein hadloke, bein hasoke, to burn it. Yitnu yehane atrume yehane b'seifasa. Yimo yishem adlika. You let have a noah for trume to me. You burn it. Didn't the seifa. Also the zorim. You have got the trume ain't in the surah noah. Even though trume is not me surah noah. But now this is the place it says in Psachim and many places in Daftes and Daflamed. Amedvov mikol mokom hano shel kili osa betruma. Ani mati shmati is not trumasna mishnei trumas hakosa medam be'ech truma temeya hano shel kili as I know which is burnt completely. That's the osa. What's the pshat? If this is not a subano, so why is hano shel kili osa? What's this osa? Ich meine the pshat is shmati mistrumoisai means you now be mad with the truma. Ma'abazan in Tumah means to destroy it. Destroying it means I know you shall kill it. That's why. Not also Asura no. Asura no, it's not going to also. It's also because you're Ma'abad Zach. Ma'abad Zach also. So he has a whole, brings the right, it's coming, da. V'imis isis zeh the no shel kili the no which completely disintegrates the truma hu min ha'toira midrabanon nechluku ba'ovis oilam and Taisus meh madlikin Taisus the chavav b'Shabbos the afina la mitevel the sun the state by tevel the mina osam ein madlikin b'tevel tomei only by truma you're not a burner truma temeya but nishka tevel no ma krav ani ine nesati lecho is mishmeres trumoisai b'shtei trumas trumoisai is shtei trumas hakosem medaber achas truma tohira v'achas truma temeya ma truma tohira ein lo bo el mishas harama just like truma tohira you can only use it when you make that frosha after by the kohen after truma temeya ein lo bo el mishas harama ve'elo by kavana. What does it mean by Truma Tmei only b'shas haroma? The Truma Toira lo Yehuta Achilo Sikim b'shas haroma v'elo. After you give it to the kohen, then it's mutar bano. Avu kohen l'chein loy mishum the tevel osir b'achila. But tevel is not osir bano. So it's like the Pope says loy mitzino that tevel should be osir bano. So after Truma Tmei Achilo osir dain ad loker ki yoyser boy. What is it mutar? Ki im b'shas haroma v'elo. Avu kohen l'chein. If you take the tevel, you want to burn it, loy tomnish. Mishum the tevel osir bano shel kili. Avashan no she'enu shel kili shori b'tevel. You want to have enough for tevel? Kamendo. So what's an afkaminah between tevel and truma? Beidus and mutar bano, or both of them are what? Are osir bano shel kili. So he goes into this. This is the Rais, the Rabbanon. First he brings the shittas that hold the toys. He wants to say the Rambam hold like this. It's the Rais. I'm not saying the Rash. All of the Rishonim hold that it's mutar bano. I get the Chodesh.